Hi, today our team is gonna talk something about augmented reality in mobile computing. First of all, let me introduce our team. Our team consists of four members. They are Xinwu, Xinrui Lu, Nian Li, and Ning Kang. Our presentation has 5 sections. At the first, I'm gonna talk something about the basic concept of AR technology, and in the following 4 sections, our team members will introduce some deeper knowledge and applications of augmented reality technology. Now, let's begin with the overview of AR. Speak of AR, we want to figure out what it is and what it can do. Augmented reality is a term for real-world environment whose elements are augmented by computer-generated information. It is also a technology to superimpose digital information into real scene views by users. It is available at any time if you have smartphone, PC with camera, or head-mounted display devices. And it is used in many fields such as marketing, medical, education, and entertainment.
Hello everyone, my name is Wu Xin. Now let me introduce to you the next part. Why AR works well with mobile devices. Here are listed 4 main reasons. Convenient to use, help to enhance user experience, mobile phone hardware support, and the last one is sensor. Now I will give you a detailed introduction to these 4 features. Almost everyone has a mobile phone nowadays. As we can see, the account of mobile users will reach nearly 5 billion in 2020. It is about 60% of the world population. All these users are potential users for AI application. In this slide, I want to use an example to prove that AI helps users enhance their life experience. This is an AI game called AI Dragon. You can have a dinosaur pet and take care of it every day, just like raising a dog. You can put your dinosaur in anything around you, just like your pet is with you anytime, anywhere. We can see that the performance of mobiles are good enough to run AI application. The powerful CPU and GPU provide the ability to perform real-time image process. Here is a graph showing the performance of iOS devices. The CPU and memory performance of iPhone 8 is 2 times better than iPhone 7, and the newly released Apple ARKit can be easily used on iPhone 7. Sensors in mobiles can perfectly support AR application. Accelerometer, gyroscope, camera are the main sensor on the phone. Accelerometer can help to detect the direction. Gyroscope is used to detect how the device is rotating. Camera can help to see the real world and translate it into digital data.
Hi, this is Xinrui Lu. In the next few slides, I'm going to introduce some applications of augmented reality technology in medicine and home furnishing. In the traditional way, doctors and experts use 2D image data from CT or MRI to make the diagnosis. But nowadays, augmented reality technologies, blind computer-generated images, scans with real-world views are making it possible for doctors to see under the skin of patients to visualize bones, muscles, and internal organs without having to cut open the body. And this slide shows a cutting-edge use of augmented reality in medicine. Doctors at St. Mary's Hospital in London have been wearing Microsoft HoloLens AR glasses during reconstructive surgery on patients who have suffered severe leg injuries in traffic accidents. Compared to the picture A that used 2D image to locate the blood vessels, picture B with 3D rendered by HoloLens find the blood vessels more directly and precisely. So we can believe that AI may transform medicine care by improving precision during operations, reducing medical errors, and giving doctors and patients a better understanding of complex medicine problems. In the next step, let's talk about something about furnishing. For the home furnishing in the traditional way, we have to carefully measure the room space before going to purchase furniture, spending a long time at the furniture market. And the most annoying problem is that the furniture you bring back home doesn't fit the room or it doesn't match the decoration style. But now we can use applications like IKEA Place to solve this problem. It uses AR kits to make 3D and true to scale methods of everything from sofas and coffee tables. We just need to open the camera, then we can see how different furnitures fit our room at the real world view. IKEA Place gives you an accurate impression of furniture's size, design, and functionality in your home, so you can stop wondering and start doing.
Hello everyone, I'm Nearly. Thanks to my teammate speaking. Let's keep talking about some AI application in other areas. Let's talk about game first. People love game because they can make us happy. Pokemon Go is the most popular AR mobile game. It will show the Pokemon hiding in the world we are living. When you turn on the application and your smartphone camera, they will appear on your smartphone screen. And very interesting thing is that when you stand by the river, you can't see anything, but once you open the Pokemon Go, you will see lots of Pokemon just appear in front of you. As we all know, Dota 2 is the most popular esport game in the world. The monsters in the picture are actually the hero chosen by the players. They will show up in front of everyone's eyes in the AR form. And they can even make some actions to mock their opponents. For example, the blue dragon in the bottom picture, it is flapping its wings to maintain the flying height, and split cold fork from its mouth. You know, AI technologies are everywhere. After the topic that young people are concerned about, now let's move to the topic the parents care about. AI technologies break the traditional teaching mode. Students don't have to look at the text introduction or pictures in the books to imagine the shape of the brain. Instantly, they can just use their own eyes to observe the structure of brain. The same is true for the architecture and the auto industry. Whether you want to learn the design of the castle or you want to see the part of car, you can watch it clearly and intuitively by the AR mobile device.
Hello, my name is Ning Kang, and I will talk about the disadvantages to build AR applications in mobile devices. I will introduce this from three aspects: energy, vision limitation, and input methods. An important feature of mobile device is its lightweight, which means that the capacity of its battery cannot be very large. What is more, as we can see from the picture, battery development is not as fast as CPU and memory. There is only 7% increase from iPhone 7 to iPhone 8 for battery. On the other hand, AR applications are always CPU and GPU consumption, and these kinds of chips cause a large proportion of power. This limited the development of AR in mobile because if users need to charge their devices several times per day, they will not use AR. Another limitation for AR is the screen size of mobile devices. Screen of mobile devices, like phones, are small. Thus, the AR vision are limited to the screen of mobile phones. Some people even say that AR on phones is not real AR, and I am partly agree with them. Real AR should have the same vision as users' eyes, so that users can have a real feeling that the real world is augmented, instead of only the small size world in the screen. In this case, mobile is not a good device for AR applications unless additional devices like glasses are used. AR needs a way to interact 3D objects in 3D worlds, but mobile devices like phones only have limited input methods, such as touching on screen, which is 2D operation, on moving devices or rotating devices. Although users can combine two or three methods to simulate a 3D input method, it is still very hard for users to handle as users must keep the screen in front of their eyes. Here comes the summary. As we discussed, embed sensors make mobile devices a good platform to run AR applications, and AR applications do become more and more popular on mobile devices recently. But there are still significant limitations for mobile devices, and there is still a long way to go before AR can really change our life.